Hi guys, it's me. Today we're diving into a projector that's designed for environments where performance is not optional. This is the NEC WUXGA LCD Advanced Professional Laser Installation Projector, delivering an impressive 8,000 lumens of brightness. And it's built for spaces that demand consistency, clarity, and long-term reliability. This is not a plug-and-play consumer projector. It ships without a lens, and that decision is intentional. It gives system integrators and professional installers complete control over how the projector is deployed. Different rooms require different throw distances, screen sizes, and mounting positions, and this design allows the setup to be tailored perfectly instead of compromised. The brightness here is the standout feature. 8,000 lumens means this projector performs exceptionally well even in rooms flooded with ambient light. Large conference rooms, lecture halls, exhibition spaces, and auditoriums benefit immediately. Visuals remain bold, text stays readable, and content doesn't fade when the lights are on or the room is filled with people. Resolution comes in at WUXGA, which is 1920 by 1200. That extra vertical resolution compared to standard 1080p might not sound dramatic on paper, but in real-world use it makes a noticeable difference. Presentations feel less cramped, documents fit better, and detailed graphics are easier to view without constant scaling or zooming. As an LCD projector, color performance is consistent and evenly distributed across the screen. Brightness uniformity is strong, whites look neutral, and colors remain accurate throughout long operating hours. With a contrast ratio of 2,500 to 1, the image prioritizes clarity and stability rather than cinematic depth, which is exactly what professional users expect. The laser light source is a major advantage for long-term use. Laser technology eliminates frequent lamp replacements and delivers a much longer operational lifespan. Brightness remains stable over time, maintenance costs are reduced, and downtime is minimized. This makes the projector ideal for permanent installations where reliability is critical. Installation flexibility is another area where this projector excels. It supports a wide range of optional lenses, offers generous lens shift, and adapts well to ceiling-mounted or complex multi-projector configurations. It's designed to integrate smoothly into professional AV ecosystems, making it suitable for institutions and businesses managing multiple displays. Despite the high brightness output, operational noise is well managed. In large rooms, the projector blends into the background, allowing the audience to focus entirely on the content being presented. This is an important detail for professional presentations, keynote sessions, and live events. Connectivity and control options are tailored for enterprise environments. Support for modern inputs, network control, and remote monitoring make it easy to manage within centralized systems. Whether it's used for corporate communication, education, or public displays, this projector fits seamlessly into structured workflows. This projector is not aimed at home entertainment or casual use. It's designed for organizations and professionals who need dependable performance every day. If your space requires high brightness, installation freedom, and long-term durability, this NEC laser projector is a strong solution. If you want to buy this NEC WUXGA LCD 8,000 lumen Advanced Professional Laser Installation Projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.